Welcome! In front of me I have MOTOROLA Moto Watch Fit, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called the system, and then scroll down and look for the option called the reset. Tap on it and then tap on the reset button to confirm and start the resetting process. Before we start though, one thing to mention is that if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So let's go back to settings, system, not about the system, reset, and the reset button. And let's wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see this message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.